Hi, Bridge. Hi, Carlo. This is your cousin Tintin and your newly also family member,
Brayton.
We just wanted to say congratulations. Wish we could be there to help you celebrate, but we will be coming hopefully soon. So get your party hats on, and when we're there, we will celebrate like it's what's the song, 1999?
Sure.
Well, anyways, we'll celebrate in 20 whatever year it is. But anyways, congratulations. Have fun. And
we wish you a lifetime of happiness and joy.
Be nice to each other.
Yeah. Let's go.
Love you guys.
Bye.
Bye.
Hey, Bridget and Carlo. It's Lola from Tampa, Florida, and this is your Uncle Joseph. Congratulations, both of you.
Yeah, congratulations. Wish we could be there, but we love you and we hope you have a good time, and we hope to see you soon. Bye.
I love you. We love you. We love you.
Congratulations, Bridget and Carlo. Sana maging maayos ang inyong pagsasama habang buhay. Bye-bye.
From North Carolina, Bridget, ang Lola Miling. Okay? Carlos, si Lola Miling. Natutuwa ako at binabati ko kayo ng happy wedding. Okay? Sana ang inyong pagsasama ay maging maganda at maligaya. Kaya natutuwa ako na Bridget, na ikaw ang panganay na pang-7 apo kong unang mag-aasawa. Kaya ako'y natutuwa. At natutuwa din ako sa mapapangasawa na si Carlo. Okay? Diba? Kaya ang aking dinadasal na sana ay kayo'y maging masaya at maging ano sa buhay. Okay? Yan lang ang dasal ko sa inyong dalawa. Kaya ang Lola Miling nagpapasalamat at kayo ay malalagay na sa tahimik. Okay? Maligayang wedding sa inyong dalawa. Lola Miling. Okay. Na.
Hello. Good evening po sa inyong lahat. Ako po si Lola Auring, Lola ni Bridget, na anak ni Catherine Madrid. 3 po ang apo ko, 2 lalaki at 1 babae. Si Bridget nga po. Happy wedding, Bridget and Carlo. Batid kong magiging masaya ang inyong pag-iisang dibdib sa Mayo 8. At sana maging maganda ang inyong kapalaran sa bawat taon na dumarating. At huwag ninyong kakalimutan na magdasal sa Poong Nazareno at sa mahal na inanalagin sa Klolo. Alam ko na kahit wala ako dyan, magkikita pa rin tayo. Ilang taon pa nga, tagal pa, pero umaasa ako na magiging maligaya kayong dalawa at gagabayan ka ni Carlo at hindi ka pababayaan. Batid mo na mahal kita, Bridget, at isa na ngayon sa pamilya natin si Carlo. At umaasa ako na hindi ka pabayaan ni Carlo at mamahalin ka habang buhay kayo magsasama. Mahal na mahal kita, Bridget. Salamat sa pagtangkilik mo sa akin noong nandyan ako at lahat ng aking kailangan ay madali mo natutupad sa kagustuhan ko. Maraming salamat sa pag-aalaga mo sa akin. I love you very, very much. Ngayon wala ka na sa aming puder. Ganun pa man, miss na miss din kita. Huwag kayong makakalimot na tawagan niyo ko at huwag niyong pabayaan si mama niyo, lalo na ang kapatid mo si Brian. Salamat. Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat.
Yo, at the bridge, Phil Carlos, congrats. For real, I wish I was out there in the Philippines with you guys, but you know, I'm out here in New York doing my own thing. You already know. But yeah, Bridget, I'm proud of you. For real. And Carlos, you solid for locking that in, bro. Welcome to the family. Take care of her, okay? That's all I'm saying. And everybody's watching this, yeah, I might not be there physically, but you know, I'm doing my own thing here, and I'm really happy to see my family winning too, you know. Wishing you guys nothing but happiness and a strong future together. Love you both.